tell us about your journey, how it happened?
Okay, actually in the age 2, I am also a normal person till the age 2. It's a fever has came in one day, and the sudden in the midnight the fever has been came. The next day afternoon my leg has been problem. So from the 2.5 years till now, means 34 years I am wearing this one. Actually, it's a wearing caliper, this one, disabled caliper, this one. From age 2.5 to age 18, I have used this one. I have got from there, and ICF one is there, and the K cancer is there. I got this one from that one. After that, I have finished my school studies. I have joined with the AMC in College Pinambaka. One of my friend from my class also is an handicapped person, 2 legs handicapped person. He has introduced me. He showed the address and everything. I came here from 1995. From 1995 to 2013 till now, I am wearing this one. Okay, wearing this one. This is at this stage. Okay, compared to this one, not comparing this one. This will be more. It will be with 5 kgs more, 5 kgs something. It will be heavy weight also. But this shoes must be compulsory for every this basic attack. This person is compulsory for this one. In these shoes I wearing only. I have my legs and everything, body shapes and everything is be normal. Without wearing this one, okay, my legs and the shapes will be different. Everything it's not possible to wear the other shoes also. This is the main shoes for this one. Wearing this both of the shoes, I can walk for 3 kilometers, 4 kilometers also normal without any person also. I can walk. I can go by bus also, by train also. I can walk by bridges because everywhere I can go. That is not wrong. Without these shoes, it will be difficult for me. Now it's comparison for this one. It's very good for me.
What about the current one? How easier is it for you now?
Okay. Comparison both means okay. This will be more than 5 kgs something. It will be coming up to the hip. This one. Okay. It will be attached by this shoes also. It will be attached. Comparing the other one, I have now wearing this one. This one is a normal like this, a normal leg plastic. This one. It will be up to the below the hip only. We can wear the chappals or shoes according to our taste. It will be inside only. Okay, this one wearing means the shoes will be attached in this one. So we can walk as a normal person. We can show as a normal person also. But it's comfortable. We can, but sure we want to the height adjustment will be difference will be there. Compared to this one and this one, the height whatever the leg difference is there. We want to paste the shoe height difference of this one.
And transport, I mean, we see that in Chennai at least buses, not many buses have this low footboard. So do you find any difficulties for in going trains or buses?
No, that is not difficult. Anything is that I wearing these shoes means I can stand, no problem. That is not I can height also, but I can hand something and I can make. That is not a problem. It's very easy for me. It's comfortable for me also.
What about the affordability? I mean, of prosthetics in. What about the affordability of artificial limbs like this? Is it easy for people to get the money? Is it cheap or is it costly?
Sure, they're doing the service. Okay, actually, not I'm comparing not this one. At the age of okay, don't ask about this. I'm telling this. Don't make this one. Okay, I'm telling this one. If you are going and buying somewhere outside means okay. Example, I'm telling at that days itself, the age 6 or 7, I have paid this money and I bought this nearly 3,000 rupees. At the age 3, at the age 7 or 8, after that they given me the free, just 200 rupees or 300 rupees. After getting here, they are doing this. They are not receiving any money. Okay, they are giving freely only. Okay, just as some donations we are paying to them. That's all. They are giving we are paying donations something. They will be giving. It's more comfortable and easy for every person to came here and they can get it. The service also is very good for them. Okay, they will not tell me okay, there's lot of persons they're not there. They're coming there morning. They come in. They ask they to wait here. They are providing the food also. In the afternoon, providing the food also. And the evening time we can make it. If the outstation person means they're giving the room also here. Okay, we can stay here and we can get it no problem. The price also that's not we can't tell us in the money wise. Okay, they're giving the better service.
இல்ல